We are on the road, as you can tell. No, we're not moving yet.
No, soon.
Soon, and we have an update for you on that today.
Yeah.
But with us leaving the area, I decided, Ed said he's never seen the Atlantic coast in Florida.
True.
Only in New England and the middle Atlantic.
Yeah.
So we're taking a trip out to the coast.
Yeah, so I'll go check it out one time before we move.
And we couldn't do it without a component of Disney.
Of course.
So, Ed, where did you just program our GPS to take us?
Yeah, we're going to go to Vero Beach. We're not going to stay there. We don't really need to. We have the dogs at home and everything. And
oh, yeah, that is something true. Vero Beach is not dog-friendly. We did look into it for maybe just a night. So we're just going to go out for the afternoon, check out the coast.
Yeah, and it might rain, but that's okay.
And we have a big announcement from the beach.
Okay.
You may very well notice this is not a Disney resort.
It is not a Disney resort at all.
No, so we stopped at Vero Beach just now to be informed you are not allowed in without a reservation at the restaurant or the resort. Although DVC Member Services and the website thinks Vero Beach Resort is open.
Right.
They were just rude to us, which I will give as feedback to Disney. As a matter of fact, I did. I called DVC Member Services to let them know. They were surprised. They also didn't know. Those were the restrictions at Vero Beach Resort right now.
Yeah.
So if you were thinking of popping over to check it out, don't bother.
No, they wouldn't even let me use the men's room.
Yeah, so we came here. We did find a beach park by ourselves.
And it's so nice out.
It's beautiful. These are umbrellas to block the sun.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. But we still have a major announcement for you guys, and Ed still has yet to see the Atlantic coast here in Florida because we still have to walk up over the dune there.
Oh,
but we're going to do this because we drove, and this is what we're doing today. So join us on the beach for our announcement. All right, Ed, was the Atlantic coast everything you ever could have wanted?
No, it's memories of growing up with it where it's gray and dreary and...
We couldn't have gotten more of a northeast day to visit a Florida beach. Well, we have a big announcement to make.
We do?
And as you can tell, Ed's always been surrounded by water.
Yeah, that's true.
So let's go ahead and surround you by water. Here, let's roll the footage to let you know where our move is going to be taking us. So how does that sound, Ed?
Yeah, Hawaii sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Mm-hmm. So we're literally going to surround you with water.
Yeah.
On the island of Oahu.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we're very excited.
I am beyond excited. I am excited to be moving on to something new.
Yeah.
And on a day like today, I'm excited to be moving to something a little more tropical.
And a little less Florida.
And 15 minutes from Aulani.
Yes.
That is no accident. Actually, it is. But we're thrilled with it.
Yeah.
That was just coincidence.
Yeah.
So join us on the rest of this adventure as we continue to tell you what it's like moving a household, the two of us, 2 dogs, a car, all of our belongings, and everything else from Florida to the state of Hawaii during a pandemic.
Yeah. So easy. So easy.
It was actually, I will say, not much harder than moving to Hawaii, not in a pandemic. So in the coming videos, we're going to share a little bit more about that, and then you are going to join us in Hawaii by the time we all get to say trick or treat. And we promise this is a treat, not a trick.
No, this is the trick.
This is the trick. So now that we have spent a lovely, beautiful, sunny Florida beach day here in Vero Beach, not at Disney, are you ready to make the move?
Yeah.
That's not even a question with wow.
Yeah, am I a Disney? Not Disney. Was it sunny? No. Was it Florida?
Yep. So if you want to take the adventure with us, be sure to give this video a giant thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to be notified of all our releases and our upcoming Hawaii adventures.
There might even be more between now and then.
There will be, because I'm going to share everything about moving to Hawaii for those of you that are interested in how complicated it is.
And click the bell icon to be notified when we get there.
Or before, because there's videos coming before that.